What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tasha, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today's video I want to talk about is rebuilding trust in your relationship. Everything that our partner does go through our trust filter. When that trust is broken, you're gonna be suspicious of everything that your partner does. You'll question if they really are where they said they were, or if they're really with who they say they with. You'll even find yourself going through their cell phone. A once safe relationship is now replaced with fear, anxiety, and doubt. Trust takes a long time to build, but only a moment to break. But have no fear. Trust can be rebuilt in your relationship, but you have to be intentional with rebuilding that trust. It's more than just I'm sorry or even taking the blame. You have to be patient with yourself and your partner. You have to recommit. Some days you'll be motivated to making it work, and some days you'll wonder if you should just let go. So you have to make that choice to make the relationship work and rebuild that trust. You have to be open with your partner, especially during this time. Trying to hide anything will quickly erase all of your progress moving forward. Don't hold grudges for yourself or your partner. When we're the ones that's betrayed, we tend to feel stupid, but we must work towards forgiving yourself and your partner if you want the relationship to work. Don't look at forgiving as a weakness, and don't take the forgiveness as you're okaying what your partner did to you. The forgiving is more for you, nobody else, so that you can let go of the past and move forward. And only you can determine if your relationship is worth saving. Not your mother and not your friends. Only you. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. And remember, only you can design the you that you want to be. Thank you guys, and I hope I see you in my next video.